Okay, so I want to show you how you can get the closed captioning subtitles that you have created in Screencast-O-Matic exported out so that you can then upload the file to YouTube so that you don't have to rely on the automated, auto-generated YouTube closed captioning. So I've opened up a video that I have finished the closed captioning. I click on the CC and I click on the edit icon. And up pops the captioning. I've previously edited all of the captioning out. So to export it, I just click on the arrow here and I choose export as, and I want the SBV version of it. YouTube accepts several different versions. We're going to use this one because it includes the timing. So I just download it, save it. We're going to save as the video file, so we'll save it to the computer so that we can upload it to YouTube. Make sure you provide all the information for this and then click publish. I've already published this to save time, so once the video is published and you've uploaded it to YouTube, it'll show up in your content area. If I click on the edit, the details over here on the left hand side, there is a subtitles section. If I click on that, YouTube will automatically try to create subtitles, and if I want to upload my own, I can just click add. This can also be done during the uploading process, but here it is at the end. And it brings up the editor for the subtitles. So the option is down here. You could edit out the subtitles, but we're going to upload that file. We do have a title file with timing, so I click on continue. So then I go to the folder that has the SBV file. I click the file and I click open. And it uploads it very quickly. And here are all the timings. You can edit the timing if you wish, but generally, if you've already edited it in Screencast-O-Matic, this is going to be fine. And you just click publish, and it is ready for you to watch. We'll click view on YouTube.
Hi, my name is Kim Hirschman, and I'm the curriculum specialist.
And you can see that the subtitles are appearing down here. Hope this was helpful.